What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a beginner's guide for changing the WordPress posts or pages publication dates. Okay, so imagine that you do write a post on 2020 or 2021 and you would like to update this publication date because you have updated the post, you have changed the information for SEO reasons, for organization reasons. You would like to change the date for 2023, for example, change the year, change the month, change the day. Into this video, we're going to learn how to do this in a very simple way. In fact, in two effective methods. But before you can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, log into our WordPress dashboard. Normally it's yourdomain.com, yourdomain.net, WP admin or WP login. And after this, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over the part that you would like to change. In my case, it's gonna be posts, but can be products, pages, works in the same way. So click into posts, find the post that you would like to change the date. In my case, is this one right here, how to save more energy. I'm gonna open the post into a new window so I can show you something. And now review the right sidebar of menus called post right here, okay? Right under the update button. And from here we can see into the summary, visibility, publish, template, and URL. Click into the publish. Here is the date. After this, a calendar gonna opens and you can change the month of publication, the year, the time, every single part of this. And after, we can even select it now right here in order to publish it immediately according to your site current date, or you can pick another date right here. After this change made, you can just close this pop-up and hit the update button in order to change the date. There is a faster way, okay? Without needs for opening the post, just right here into the posts list, you can see a little button called quick edit. Click right here. And here are the dates. You can change the month, you can change the year, and hit the update button, okay? So, change it, right? And change it again for 2023. And now if you go to the post page right here and update this posts list, you can see the post new publication date right here. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you don't have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site for free. In addition to our Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can download to customize your site, our Growth.net platform of guest posts. You can submit your blog right here to receive guest posts, publish guest posts on our site, and connect with a growing blogging community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock access to our full templates library of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium blogs, templates, assets, and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!